Hello guys, so we've got another car in. This time it's Audi A5 with a 3.0 TDI engine. It came in with misfire and the engine was shaking and it's rattling quite badly. So we have to do the timing chains. They are placed on the back of the engine. So we're just gonna drop the whole engine with the gearbox on the ground and do it that way. So yeah, let's start the job. So this is how it looks once the engine is out with the gearbox, and we're just probably gonna continue with the exhaust. So I will be unbolted from the turbo, that's in the way, and next thing will be the gearbox so we can get on the timing chain from the back, which is somewhere over here. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, the gearbox is off now. We're gonna take the dual mass flywheel off with the plate, and we have to strip all the covers which are covering the timing chains, and we'll see what's going on. But straight away from here I can tell, yeah, the chain's quite loose. So we're gonna check all the adjusters. Everything will be replaced anyways. So yeah, let's continue.
Have a great time.
On both camshaft, there's a locking pin on the crank down there. I'm not sure if you can see it. There you go. And yeah, basically everything's new. We've got new wheels, we have new guides, new tensioners, new bolts and everything. So yeah, the last thing is 23 Newton meters on these both sides. That was already tied to the spec, and we will turn the engine a few times. So after we're gonna turn the engine, all these positions should be at the same spot again. So yeah, let's do it. So there you go, the engine is on the subframe finally. We put the gearbox pipes on and everything. The last thing was missing is the exhaust. Miroslav done a full decut and we took the DPF out because the customer requires stage 2, so we got a bit of more power. We replaced the turbo, so you can probably see it's not damaged anymore. We also took the injectors for testing and one of them was faulty, so we're gonna put a one new injector. So
A few moments later.
So yeah, that's the A5 done. So we've done timing chains and we changed loads of seals from the back while it was out. Also we find out the turbo has a damage, so we replaced the turbo as well. One injector wasn't 100%, so there's a new injector as well. The customer required a small tune, so Miroslav done a stage 2 remap, and we also removed the rear boxes, so the car sounds a bit better now. So yeah, one done, too many to go. If you need any job or anything, let us know. We mostly do these Volkswagen Group cars every day. As you can see, we've got an S4, S5, too many cars outside waiting to get the job done. So yeah, can't wait for another episode, plenty to do. So yeah, see you next time, take care.